Hello, my name is Patrick and I'm a sculptor. And today I'm going to turn this picture into a sculpture. This picture comes from my friend Brenda. They're also known as Art and Jess. They're a fantastic artist and run a pretty fun stream on Twitch. Check out their links below. Recently, they've been helping to run an event hosting a whole bunch of creatives on Twitch called Camp Chaos. I got to be a part of it and I had a blast, and I did a whole session on how to sculpt this giblet. There's actually a simple template I made that you can download to follow along. What makes this template super helpful is that you can line up your shapes as you go to get your scale bang on. So if you're a beginner, this is an easy project to try. So with template in hand, grab some clay, some aluminum foil, some paint, and a toothpick, and let's get sculpting this giblet. The first thing you need to do is take a small amount of foil and make the body shape. Use some clay to cover the foil and match it to the template. Using a toothpick, press into the middle of the bottom to create the dividing line for the shorts. Use the roundness of the toothpick to refine the shape of the shorts, i.e. to make a butt. Roll 2 equal balls of clay for legs, and using your thumb and forefinger, taper the circle to make a rounded triangle. Use your finger to create a dimple in the bottom of the shorts and place each leg in the holes. Roll out a thin tube of clay and press it flat for the short's waist. Place it along the body and blend into the tube. Place along the body and blend in the tube into the shorts, leaving the waist unblended. Roll 2 balls of clay for the water wings. Apply pressure with your finger to create the dimple for the arms and place them on the body. Roll 2 smaller balls of clay for the arms. Taper them between your thumb and forefinger and apply them into the water wings. Roll 2 small sausages of clay for the ears and attach along the head. flatten an oval of clay to the size of the faceplate. The template is really helpful here. Position the faceplate on the body. Make 2 small ovals for the goggles. Use a toothpick to create the shape of the mouth. Place 2 small teeth and a tongue in the mouth. Use your toothpick to help position and shape them. Place your goggles. Roll a thin tube of clay for the strap and cut off a small piece for the gap between the eyes. Position the strap along the back of the head and under each goggle. Make a small triangle with the remaining piece of the tube and place it between the goggles. And you've got yourself a giblet. Let's paint. I used acrylics. I started with green for the body. Applied yellow to the water wings. Mix the blue for the goggles. Applied red and white paint for the tongue and teeth. I also applied a beige for the faceplate. To make the goggles seem like glass, I used a lighter tone of blue for the glass. A dark blue for the eyes. And some white for the glare off the glass. I also added some accents to the water wings for glare. I painted the shorts red and went about adding flamingos. This was slow and steady work. I did the basic body shape of the flamingo first, and then added the accents. And with that, the Giblet was done. Let's check out the final reveal. And there you go, we have the original made by Art and Jest, links to all their wonderful work below, and my 3D sculpture version. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do want to make your own, there's a link below to where you can access the template. I had a lot of fun recreating Art and Jest's work. If you have an original character that you would love to see go from 2D to 3D, send me a message in the comments, I'd love to give it a try. For now, we have lots of other fun videos here on the channel and loads more to come, so make sure you're following along by subscribing and liking this video. But really, thanks for being here. I really appreciate it. So, till next time, keep being awesome.